Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a chart in Google Sheets. So here I have my data about a student's grade in writing in the first and also the second semester, and I'm going to make it into chart. So what you need to do is block the data and then go to the insert menu and you'll find the chart option and just click on that, and then here the chart will be automatically created, and then you can just change the type of the chart in this column right here in this drop down. You can just change it into a line or the area or the column chart like this. I'm going to use it, or you can just use there is also a pie chart and also the area and bar chart. So I'm going to use this column chart. I'm going to drag this and the bottom of the data like this, and you can also make some adjustment. You can adjust the size of the chart, and also you can do some customization. You can change the font color, the background, the border color, and also you can make it into 3D chart like this. And also you can change each of these titles. For example, we want to change the uh, chart title, for example, right? It's students writing score like this. And you can also change the title font size, and also the title format. Okay, so if you're done making some adjustment, you can just close the chart editor, and then just like that, your chart has been created in your Google Sheets. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.